Hello darlings, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Sadicka, and for those of you that are already subscribed, thank you for clicking on another one. You already know what it is. We back in this. I'm hype, I'm giddy, and it's because my curls is popping and yours can be too. Cause I'm gonna show you. Okay, I don't know why sometimes I think I'm like a rapper. As you can tell from the title of this video, today I am going to be showing you my quick and easy curly hair wash and go routine. Well, it's not really a wash and go because I didn't show you guys how I washed my hair. It's just after the wash, what you gotta do to go, if that makes sense. Yeah, before we even get into this video, I need to start saying this because a lot of you aren't already doing so, but make sure you are following me on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Facebook. All of my handles are at Sadicka.inc, and I am sure to post on my other platforms outside of YouTube, and usually I do post on my other platforms more frequently, so I would love to be in the loop with you guys, showing you guys what I'm up to and connecting with you and seeing what you want to see from me on here, YouTube. Today we have a special product here, which is my Creme of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. So this is for dry and dehydrated hair. It is a new product and I will be reviewing this product. This is actually the only product I use to achieve these beautiful, luscious, nourished curls, looking healthy and bouncy and yeah, all that good stuff. So if you guys would like to see how I got this quick and easy hairstyle ready and perfect for summer, winter, vacations, anything, then keep on watching. So I've gone ahead and done a co-wash on my hair with some conditioner. So with this, it says after cleansing and conditioning hair with the shampoo and conditioner, section damp hair and apply from roots to tip, section by section, and finger style to define curls and air dry. Do not rinse. Reapply to dry hair to refresh curls as needed. So I'm gonna be doing my quick routine, so honestly I'm just gonna be sectioning my hair really rough. My hair has dried a little bit whilst I was doing my makeup, so I'm just gonna spritz it a bit more. Wow, did I spritz that onto the camera? Is it focused? Is it even clear? Oh my gosh. So this has a very thick consistency. It smells amazing. And I'm just gonna work that into my hands and warm it up. I need to apply that from root to the tip. So usually if I really want my curls to be popping, or I'm going out somewhere important, or I just really want to look real nice, then I will definitely take my time and section my hair in smaller sections, and I'll definitely twirl some of the curls with my fingers. And my hair is very dry, so I have to use like 2 pumps in one section, but this is a pretty big section. And to be honest, I've had this container for I believe like 2-3 months now, and it's been lasting me. So, and now I'm just gonna do that to the rest of my hair until I'm done. Hey Siri, shuffle play all music.
Real ass nigga get fucked that bitch. It is what it is, it's a boss bad. She a big old freak, it's so much that I hate. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Like a pig when he be hopping up the beat. And who gon' tell him that my bitch is getting her degree?
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What Juicy say?
Real,
Like,
real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
Okay, so as you can see, the curls is popping, and whatever, they're still wet. I personally like to let my hair air dry with this product because I find that sometimes when I dry my hair, it's a little too flat for me, and I kind of like a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this like rat tail comb here and give myself a side part. I have a beauty mark right here, so I like to do my side part right on my beauty mark. But I guess like for your eyebrow, diagonal. That's like the spot that I do my part in. So yeah, right around there. And I like to just do a nice little like swoop. There we go. So once I have my part, I like to take a soft bristle brush, and I just brush this one side down a little bit. I don't like brush it down all the way. I kind of let the curls fall, and then I just take a toothbrush and I fix my edges. Sometimes I do like to use gel and actually do my edges. Sometimes I honestly just use whatever product is on my hair and just kind of do it like that. So I can use some of this toothbrush and apply it to my edges and give myself a nice little swoop. I hope you guys can see this. Let's see if you. So right here, and give it a nice little swoop like that. Focus. There we go. So give it a nice little swoop. Dip back into there with the toothbrush. Give myself another little swoop right here. Woo. And one more. Cause don't good things come in threes. Ooh, real hot girl summer, real girl. As you can see, the side part. So that is it for this video. My simple, quick and easy curly routine with the Creme of Nature product here. And this is a new product on the market. It retails for $8.99. I bought it at my beauty supply. I will give this product anywhere from an 8 to a 9 out of 10. The only thing I will say about this product is I don't really feel like it lasts very long, so I feel like you need to put more product in on the second day, whilst I find with some of my other wash and goes, I'm able to keep it for a couple of days. So that's the only downside of this product, but I really love it. My hair smells like the islands, my body's looking nice, as Drake would say. So if you guys like this video, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if there's any other videos that you guys want to see from me, or if you have any questions about my curly hair routine or what type of hair I have. And also let me know if there's any other content that you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for sticking tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.